All right, so in this video, we want to show how to replace the LCD screen if it got damaged, and we're just sending out this little LCD screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at this is what it would be attached to the unit, and the LCD screen is right in here that we have. It's behind this piece of plastic, so we have to access that. So we turn it over, and just using a little, like a dental pick type of, or a very small Phillips head screwdriver, gently work out the back panel off the housing. The housing comes off from the unit, and there's plenty of slack on the ribbon cable to get it away from the unit. So then go do both sides. It takes a little bit of effort to get it off sometimes, but just take your time so it doesn't break. Don't force it. And then the cover comes off, and you can set that aside. And then there's a top piece that comes off, and you can set that aside. And there you see the LCD display that we're going to go ahead and replace this. So the LCD display, if you use a little bit of slack from behind, you can pop the board out completely. And then you see there's a little release. Pull that down on both sides, and the ribbon cable will pop right out. Very good. Take the new one, making sure the ribbon cable is oriented in the same way, so that the back side is facing up in this position, and it is numbered. And just make sure that lines up with, don't drop it and break it. And make sure you can see the number 1 on the board. You can line up the number 1 with the ribbon cable. You can see the number 1 on the ribbon cable. Put it in there. Make sure it's in there tight. And then reset the locking mechanisms. And then you can fold the ribbon cable over and put it back into place. Making sure that ribbon cable is not pinched anywhere. Then you're going to look, and you're going to make sure that the on-off button is on the top. As you can see, the little recessed buttons in there. Make sure that the on-off button is at the top across those. Sits into place. And then you put the cover back on and let it snap back into place. And turn it over and make sure let's turn it over and make sure that that everything is back secure, so it's nice and flush there again. Don't force it. If it doesn't go in easily, make sure everything is aligned. And there you have it.